because Gerbil don't like little dogs. Don't do it. She'll eat them. Stop!
We can go down Glen and Guyan's Hill.
They got a hill?
Their backyard. Stop it! No.
Hey girl, what you
Hi.
doing?
Hi.
What you doing?
Hey, Gerbil, go.
No. No.
Is it?
Oh no! She's on it! Oh my gosh. Come on, Gerbils.
Gerbil wants us to go.
Come on, Gerbil. Come on.
They're gonna pop it.
Oh yeah, they're not.
Their nails are gonna pop it.
You forgot they had nails.
No, but I forgot they had sharp ones.
I hope we don't go to school tomorrow.
I hope we don't go to school tomorrow either. Maybe the roads will be too icy.
Yeah. I think it's going to freeze again.
Don't chew on my boots.
All right, I'm gonna be done if y'all not doing something.
You're still videotaping?